Hello amazing viewers, welcome to this channel where inspiration meets motivation and every story sparks a journey to greatness. If you're new here, get ready to embark on a path of discovery and empowerment. Hit that subscribe button right now and tap the bell icon so you never miss the incredible stories we bring to you. Whether it's the tale of a groundbreaking innovator, a lesson from history, or an inspiring journey of resilience, this channel is your go-to destination for success stories that ignite your potential. Today we're diving into the extraordinary life of Bill Gates, a name synonymous with innovation, technology, and philanthropy. His story is not just about becoming one of the wealthiest individuals in the world, but about using success to make a difference. From his humble beginnings as a curious boy in Seattle to revolutionizing the tech industry and transforming global philanthropy, Gates's journey is filled with lessons that can inspire you to dream bigger and achieve more. But before we dive deeper, let me ask you something. What inspires you? Think about it. Is it the drive to achieve your dreams, the desire to make a difference, or perhaps the stories of people who changed the world? If any of these resonate with you, smash that like button right now. It's a small click for you, but a huge leap for this channel, helping us reach more dreamers and doers like you. Now let's rewind to the beginning of Gates's journey. Born in 1955 in Seattle, Washington, William Henry Gates III showed early signs of brilliance. While most kids were content playing outside, young Bill had an insatiable appetite for knowledge. He was a voracious reader, often diving into encyclopedias and challenging himself with complex puzzles. His parents, William Henry Gates Sr. and Mary Maxwell Gates, recognized his intellectual curiosity. At the age of 13, Gates's life changed forever when he encountered his first computer at Lakeside School. Back then, computers were massive, expensive machines used only by large corporations and universities. But Gates saw more than a machine, he saw potential. He quickly became fascinated with programming, spending countless hours learning how to write code and create software. His passion for technology was clear, and it wasn't long before he began pushing boundaries. By the time Gates was a teenager, he and his friend Paul Allen had started experimenting with programming. They created their first project, a program to schedule classes for their school. The project not only showcased their skills, but also laid the foundation for a partnership that would change the world. Fast forward to 1973, when Gates enrolled at Harvard University. Even at one of the most prestigious institutions in the world, Gates stood out. He wasn't just another student, he was a visionary. While others focused on academics, Gates spent his time exploring the emerging world of personal computing. He believed that computers could be more than just tools for scientists and businesses. They could be accessible to everyone. This belief led to a bold decision. In 1975, Gates dropped out of Harvard to start Microsoft with Paul Allen. Imagine the courage it took to leave behind the security of an Ivy League education to pursue a dream that many thought was impossible. But Gates and Allen had a vision to put a computer on every desk and in every home. They were determined to make it happen. Gates made up his mind to build a machine such as this, in which he would never have to leave. Microsoft's big break came with the development of MS-DOS, an operating system that became the foundation for personal computing. But the real game changer was the launch of Windows in 1985. Windows wasn't just software, it was a revolution. It made computers more user-friendly and accessible, transforming them from tools for experts into devices that anyone could use. Under Gates' leadership, Microsoft became a global powerhouse, dominating the tech industry and shaping the digital age. By the age of 31, Gates was the youngest billionaire in the world. But his journey didn't stop there. Unlike many who focus solely on wealth accumulation, Gates saw success as a responsibility. He believed in using his resources to make the world a better place. This belief led him to step down as Microsoft CEO in 2000 and focus on philanthropy through the Bill and Melinda Gates Foundation. The Gates Foundation, founded in 2000, is one of the largest private charitable organizations in the world. Its mission? To tackle some of the planet's biggest challenges, from eradicating diseases like malaria and polio to improving global education and addressing climate change. Gates's philanthropic efforts have touched millions of lives, proving that true success isn't just about what you achieve for yourself, but what you do for others. Let's take a closer look at some of his most impactful initiatives. One of the foundation's primary goals is global health. Gates has been a driving force in funding vaccine research, helping to combat diseases that disproportionately affect the world's poorest populations. Through strategic partnerships and innovative solutions, the foundation has played a key role in eradicating polio from most parts of the world and reducing deaths caused by malaria and HIV/AIDS. In addition to health, Gates is passionate about education. He believes that education is the key to unlocking human potential and has invested heavily in programs that provide quality learning opportunities for children worldwide. From improving public school systems in the United States to funding scholarships for underprivileged students, the Gates Foundation is making education accessible to millions. But it doesn't stop there. Gates is also deeply committed to addressing climate change. He has invested in clean energy solutions and supports policies that promote sustainable practices. His book, How to Avoid a Climate Disaster, outlines practical steps we can take to build a greener future. Gates's dedication to the planet shows that innovation isn't just about technology, it's about creating a world where everyone can thrive. Now let's take a moment to reflect. What's your dream? What's that one goal you've always wanted to achieve? Think about it and write it down in the comments below. Sharing your goals is the first step toward making them a reality. And while you're at it, hit that subscribe button if you haven't already. This channel is all about inspiring you to reach your full potential, one story at a time. As we dive deeper into Gates's life, it's important to remember the lessons his journey teaches us. First, never stop learning. Gates's curiosity and hunger for knowledge were the driving forces behind his success. Second, don't be afraid to take risks. Dropping out of Harvard was a bold move, but it allowed him to focus entirely on his vision. Third, think big. Gates didn't just want to create software. He wanted to change the world. And finally, give back. True success isn't measured by what you have, but by the impact you make. If these lessons resonate with you, give this video a thumbs up and share it with someone who needs a little inspiration today. Your support means the world to us and helps us continue creating content that empowers and uplifts. As we approach the end of this incredible story, let's do something special. Take a moment to think about one action you can take today to move closer to your goals. It doesn't have to be big. Every step counts. Share it in the comments, and let's support each other on this journey of growth and achievement. Thank you so much for watching. Your time and support mean everything to us. If you found value in this video, don't forget to like, comment, and share. And remember, when you subscribe to this channel, you're not just joining an audience, you're becoming part of a community dedicated to learning, growing, and making a difference. Until next time, stay curious, stay motivated, and keep chasing your dreams. This is your moment. Make it count. See you in the next video.